there was always this smile on my face every time I would see him moving up, the ranks and all. But pag sinabi kong proud ako sa kanya, parang understatement yun eh. Kasi Sofronio is a reflection of the many who have countless times, endured winning and then endured losing. But even if, let's say, Sofronio didn't win it all, a true winner and a champion like him, yung losing all is only a part of what makes a true winner a winner, a real champion. You don't become a champion unless you learn how to lose as well. So when I saw his performance, sabi ko, panalo na to. This is ours already. Kasi iba yung binanggit ko dati sa TNT, na may kaibahan ng isang singer sa isang vocalist. Now it sounds the same, but it's not. A singer is somebody who can sing, who can use the talent of singing in excellent ways. But the vocalist is somebody who uses that tool and becomes a storyteller. And that's what Sofronio is. He's pagdating sa storytelling, par excellence yan eh. Nakita ko yung reactions from the very start, from the very first time that all the judges turned. It was with conviction na, this one is different. And indeed, he has been. So, I'm so happy na nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na to be one of the judges in TNT, to have heard him, to have seen how he started. Tsaka iba yung pagkanta niya ngayon as compared to how it was 5-6 years ago. He has matured, but maturity only comes with all the ups and downs in life. That's what completes who you really are. And this is the completing factor of this chapter of his life. Here, who knows what's going to happen next? It could only get better from that. So, that's my reaction.
How did you feel seeing him grow?
Oh, it's annoying. It's evident na today, the music industry, kaya naman, minsan tinatanong ako ng iba kung bakit ang music industry parang yung OPM is, OPM kasi for me is, of course, original Filipino music. But Sofronio is Pinoy. So in a way, he's still representing OPM. But today, the structure of music in the Philippines, wala nang structure. Dati, you have to sound a certain way, you have to come out a certain time. Radio stations were ordered by the government to play 2 OPMs per hour. Or 4 OPMs per hour. And it was implemented, but not really very strictly. So today, wala na yun. If you come up with good music, good homegrown music, you will slowly build up a community, and next thing you know, you sing the song and people are singing from beginning to end. So the hard work that he put into it, and it's hard work, kasi baka akala ng iba, gusto ko maging parang Sofronio, kasi tinamoy that's a lot of hard work. There was no guarantee na aabot siya sa ganito. He just took the risk, took the courage, believing that he could get somewhere, and this is that somewhere that he has arrived in, or gotten to. So it's nakakataba ng puso. Pinost ko nga dun sa ASAP thread where all the artists are Sofronio Vasquez, he's the champ of the Voice 26 in the USA. And that says a lot about him, and that says a lot about Filipinos who can really, really use kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan nila dun sa labas, when they become storytellers through their voices, this is what will happen in the end. So, it's exciting to see not only the future of Sofronio, but for all the others who have been working so hard and who are worthy of standing on a stage like The Voice in the United States.
Sir Gary, can you share with us kung ano yung magiging look ng collaboration with Gab Kiana and SB19 in one word?
Well, with SB19, we're doing a very special